This isn't just another luxury SUV. This is where performance meets the future of driving. But how much does the 2027 Mercedes GLC really cost? And what are you actually paying for behind the badge? Stay with us because what you're about to see might completely change how you define premium. Welcome to Next Generation Cars, where innovation meets cinematic storytelling, and every machine has a story to tell. For years, the Mercedes GLC has stood as a symbol of balance, refinement, comfort, and understated power, a luxury SUV that quietly became a global favorite. But today, the industry is shifting faster than ever. Electrification, digital ecosystems, and rising expectations are rewriting the rules. And now, the GLC faces its biggest moment yet, not just to improve, but to redefine itself. And then, it finally arrives. The 2027 Mercedes GLC, sharper in design, smarter in technology, and more confident in presence. Every angle feels intentional. Every movement feels controlled. This isn't just something you drive, it's something you experience. The design speaks without saying a word. Clean lines flow across the body, sculpted with precision and purpose. The slimmer LED headlights cut deeper into the night, while the redesigned grille gives it a more assertive identity. Compared to the previous generation, this isn't just refinement, it's a clear evolution of character. But what you see is only the beginning. Underneath, the GLC transforms even further. With hybrid-assisted powertrains and advanced engineering, balances efficiency and performance like never before. Inside, technology takes center stage. A fully connected infotainment system, AI-driven assistance, and real-time responsiveness redefine interaction. Old compromises lag, disconnect, complexity begin to disappear, replaced by something smoother, faster, or intuitive. But here's the tension. Has technology taken control or enhanced the drive? Step inside, and the world outside fades away. The cabin feels alive, responsive, immersive, and deeply refined. Ambient lighting flows across the interior, while the digital displays adapt seamlessly to your needs. Luxury here isn't overwhelming. It's precise, personal, effortless, and in that quiet moment, you understand what modern comfort truly means. In reality, the GLC enters one of the most competitive segments in the world, facing rivals from BMW, Audi, and Lexus, each pushing innovation further. Pricing places it firmly in the premium category, where expectations are high and compromises are not tolerated. So the question becomes clear: can it truly stand out in a crowded field? The 2027 GLC isn't just about what it is today, it's about where it's going, toward a future that is smarter, cleaner, and more connected, but still emotional, still human. Because in the end, driving isn't just about movement, it's about feeling something real every time you take the wheel. So, is the 2027 Mercedes GLC worth its price? Or is it quietly redefining what luxury means in the modern era? Tell us what you think in the comments. We want to hear your perspective. And if you believe the future of driving is already unfolding, subscribe to Next Generation Cars, because this journey is only just getting started.